Hello everyone. Today I'm going to take you on an adventure to some of the most extreme places on our planet, deserts. Now, when you hear the word desert, you might picture endless sand, blazing sun, and almost no water. That's partly true, but there's a lot more to deserts than just sand. Deserts are the driest places on Earth. In fact, scientists say a place is a desert if it gets less than 250 millimeters of rain in a whole year. That's less than what we get in Sri Lanka during just one rainy week. Did you know about 1/5 of all land on Earth is desert? That's a massive area. But not all deserts are the same. There are two main kinds, hot deserts and cold deserts. Cold deserts are dry and freezing, found at the top and bottom of our planet, in the Arctic and Antarctic. The ground there is covered with ice and snow almost all year long. Imagine going to the South Pole. You're standing in a desert, but it's icy instead of sandy. Hot deserts, like the Sahara in Africa, are what most people think of. They're boiling hot during the day, but can get really cold at night. Some are filled with sand dunes shaped by the wind, but many have bare rocks or pebbles, and even mountains carved into strange shapes by wind. So how does anything survive in a place with so little water? Well, it's all about groundwater. Each time it rains, some water seeps down into the rocks, filling cracks and spaces underground. If you dig a well or borehole in the right spot, you'll find water. Sometimes this underground water makes its way to the surface, creating springs or waterholes. When this happens, the ground becomes fertile and plants can grow. This special spot is called an oasis. People have adapted to life around these oases for thousands of years. They use every bit of fertile soil to grow food like dates, figs, and vegetables, and raise animals such as camels, sheep, and goats. But not everyone lives in towns. Some people, called nomads, travel from one oasis to another with their animals, always searching for food and water. These nomads wear long, loose robes to protect themselves from the sun, the cold at night, and even sandstorms. Their tents are made from goat or camel hair, which keeps them cool in the day and warm at night. Even in cold deserts, like the Gobi in Mongolia, nomads use thick felt tents called gurs to survive the harsh climate. So next time you hear the word desert, remember, it's not just empty land. It's a place full of life, clever survival tricks, and amazing people. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you learned something new about our incredible planet.